Okay,
Do you want to talk to her before the hearing or after the hearing? 'Cause I was gonna do yours first.
I just wanted another day.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. All right, put yourself on mute until I call your case. You got some noise back, Attorney Robinson. All right. Attorney. Officer.
You have the information. Do you have the information? Yeah, it's at 8:45.
Oh, I know.
So you can still go ahead and do it.
Oh, no. All right, Attorney Robinson, now calling the matter of the people versus Kenyon Wilson. This is ticket number SP 1235624. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, driver's license expired. Count three, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Also, tickets number SP 1371143. Count one, improper plates. Count two, no proof of insurance. Count three, no valid registration certificate. May I have your appearance for the record, please, Attorney Robinson?
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Kenyon Wilson. Mr. Wilson was driving to work. He did check in with the court earlier this morning. I would ask that his appearance be waived.
All right, at this time, I was informed that he did check into court this morning, and was on his way to work, so the court's gonna waive his appearance for this hearing purpose only. How do you wish to proceed, counsel?
I would like to, I'm requesting a pretrial so he can get the rest of his documents together.
All right, I'm gonna give him until May 1st. Okay, that's gonna be my next pretrial date for him at 8:30 a.m., okay?
May 3rd?
May 1st.
Oh, May 1st. Okay, May Day. All right, thank you.
All right, no problem. If that's all. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Just read the key.
Did you talk to your client already, Attorney Brown? Attorney Pizer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jonathan Zabrari. I said it wrong.
Zaremba.
Remember, ticket number SP 1422767. This is one count 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Thank you. Good morning. Pizer, P number 35473 for Mr. Zaremba.
You're breaking up just a little bit. And do you have permission to act on behalf of your client today, sir?
Yes, I do, Your Honor, and he's in breakout room 11, but I've confirmed it with him via text.
Okay, I can bring him out. I didn't know he was here. He came, so he might as well come and join us for a moment.
Of course, why not?
Mr. Zaremba?
Unmute.
There he is. All right, Mr. Zaremba, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Jonathan Daniel Zaremba.
All right. Today you've been extended an offer. Your attorney has already told me he spoke with you about this 11 to 15 miles over posted speed being amended to blockading, which is a no point offense, and it has a fine of $175. You want to take advantage of that today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, will you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket for the purposes of this hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge, plea responsible to the amended charge of blockading in this particular matter. Sir, the fine is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay it. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than March. I can say. Okay. Are these good? It does say 3/1. March 15th, 2023, okay? I gave him a whole.
Okay, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good day. Thank you, Sandy.
All right, have a great day. Thank you. You can log off, okay?
Thank you.
too, thank you.
Did Emmett Williams already check in, Sandy? Okay,
Yes,
okay. You talked to an attorney already, sir?
yes,
All right, you gonna take off your hat when you come back to court, isn't that right?
yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay, all right. I'll put you in the waiting room until I'm ready, okay?
Okay.
All right. How do you pronounce his last name?
I forget. Versace.
Right.
Not Versace, Versace.
All right, we're really trying over here. I know you can tell us we over here. Give me one more time, pronunciation of your name.
It's pronounced Fitzi, F-I-T-Z-I. is what we
Fitzi,
phonetically say.
Fitzi. Okay,
Yeah, Jay's
All right.
pronounced like an
all right. Is your client on today, Attorney Fitzi?
I. You know, I haven't seen him, but I do have authority to resolve it if we got an offer on the file.
I just want to know because, was this a formal hearing today?
Yes. Do we have an
I
officer
don't know if the
present?
officer came in. I don't think so. Did Officer Robinson come in?
He hasn't, Judge.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Aaron Wheatley. This is ticket number SP 1417447. This is one count disregard traffic control device, Matt. Okay, you need a moment. Wiley, it may not be Wheatley, it's Wiley, I'm sorry.
No, Judge. I saw where I crossed off Robinson, but that's Sarah Robinson's name. So no, Officer Robinson has not checked in.
Okay, fantastic. And his name is Wiley, not Wheatley, like I said, Aaron Wiley. This is one count disregard traffic control device, ticket number SP 1417447. May I have your appearance for the record, please, sir?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Roman Fitzai, P47879 on behalf of Mr. Whaley. We would move to dismiss this matter. My understanding is Officer Robinson has failed to appear.
The time is now 9:43 a.m. This matter was set for 8:30 a.m. No officer having appeared on this matter. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. So you're all set. Thank you so much for your patience and thank you for your understanding with your last name. I'm gonna give.
No, that's all right, Judge. Thanks for the effort trying to pronounce it.
I tried. I'm all like, oh, come on. All right, have a good
I
day.
hear you. All right, have a great day, all. Take
You
care.
too. Bye-bye. Attorney Brown, I'm trying to get you in before I start my whole house counsel docket. Can you hear me? Maybe in the courtroom, Brown. All right, I'll come back to you, Attorney Brown. All right, who in the waiting room? Uh-oh, hold on a minute. Let me get some files. Did you have an offer for Tatiana Williams?
Your Honor, at this time, we were just going to continue our plea of not guilty on that one, ask for a bench anyway.
All right, cool. I'm gonna admit it, man. Tatiana Williams? I think she requested some counsel. Did you ever get counsel for you, Miss Williams?
No.
Did you request counsel last time
Yes,
you
we-
were in court?
From there, man. The courtroom for
No, I'm not sure.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure it may be
Thank you.
somebody else. Okay, so don't worry, okay?
Okay.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Tatiana Williams. This is ticket SP 1370596, one count disorderly conduct. May I have counsel's appearance for the record first?
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafide, P72339, on behalf of Ms. Williams. Ms. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Hi, my name is Tatiana Emilian Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. Your Honor, at this time, we continue a plea of not guilty and ask for a bench trial date.
All right, Ms. Williams, if you would like a bench trial date, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. It's okay, Ms. Williams, you all right today?
Yes.
All right. All right, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Wyrick about your case and about your rights?
Me, Judge.
Malafite, I'm sorry, Attorney Malafite, sorry.
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
Okay, your return date is going to be May 12th. May
Okay.
12th at 9 a.m. for a bench trial. You can put it in your phone if you need to. May 12th, 9 a.m. for a bench trial. The same way you zoomed in, zoom in like that for your day, okay?
Okay.
All right, your bond's $0, and I'll see you back May 12th, okay, Ms. Williams?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. I see you putting it in the computer. Be responsible like that. That's right, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
You
There's
said at
nothing
9 a.m., right?
At 9 a.m. on May 12th. That's right.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good day, Ms. Williams, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you.
Judge, we also need a bench trial on Proctor Williams. He's in the breakout.
Robert Williams?
Last name is Proctor-Williams.
Mr. Zaranick,
Yes.
if there are any other defendants that's ready for the judge to hear, can you ask them to come out into the courtroom? So they can be put into the waiting
will.
room? All right, thanks.
Yep. Thanks.
And Judge, if you'd like, I have one that's just a review. She just needed some more time to pay.
That's about it. She didn't pay for it.
Mr. Wilson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you turn on your camera so I can see that face?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, your attorney got you a new date so you can get some more time. May 1st. May 1st
Okay.
is your return date, okay?
Okay. Okay.
8:30 a.m. next, give you some more time, okay?
Okay. You said May 1st, right?
May 1st, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. All right. Attorney Brown, we have you back for 2 seconds. I know you just
Yes,
need a new date.
I'm sorry, I was on the record in circuit court. I apologize.
I
I'm back.
figured as much. That's why I said I'll catch you real quick before you gotta go. I'm trying to get your client out. You need to go in room 10 and get him out for me. In the meantime, I'll do Proctor Williams. Oh, do I have any? Oh, was that yours, Attorney Malafide? Or no?
No.
Oh, that's Attorney Zaranick. Attorney Zaranick,
Yes.
I'm gonna do Proctor Williams, okay?
All right.
All right, now calling the matter of people versus Byron Frank Proctor Williams. This is Z ticket 808064. This is one count of operating with a blood alcohol content of 0.17 or more. City. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Proctor Williams, Your Honor, P39346. Mr. Proctor Williams, can you state your name, sir?
Yeah, unmute yourself.
Byron Proctor Williams.
We'd ask that any warrants be set aside in this matter and Mr. Proctor Williams be given a bench trial date.
All right, Mr. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yeah.
You said no?
Yes.
Okay, and it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as a trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yeah.
All right, see, I knew Tatiana had an attorney. All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the day of May 12th, 2023. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. Sir, no drinking, no driving unless you have a permit to do so at this time, okay? Bond set at $0 personal, okay?
Excuse me, when is it?
Yes. May 12th. May 1-2.
Your Honor, all these cases got dismissed and then they still issued a bench warrant out for me.
Hey, sir, we went over all that.
I've been fighting this trial for like 3 years.
Come back
So
on your
my
bench
document
trial
for
date, sir.
today- That's on my docket for today, so. Let's see. It looks like you had, okay, I didn't.
I got the paperwork saying this was dismissed. I don't know why they issued a bench warrant out for me. But we're cleared up on May the 12th.
Okay,
Now, I'm
I don't know either.
just starting, I'm trying to do a surcharge and this thing over my head for 3 years. So I'm just trying
And
to
you can
clear
get
it
a
up.
better phone. Your phone is not good. The sound and audio on your phone is terrible, just so you know. So
Okay.
work on that between now and then. And they may refile it because it was an accident, sir. So come back for your bench trial date, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I
All right, we'll see you
appreciate
then.
you. Thank you.
Okay, all right. Attorney Wallace, I thought you have Tatiana Williams, don't you? And I asked her, did she have a signed counsel?
I do, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Are you available on May 12th for a bench trial?
I am. I believe I am.
I asked, because I said, weren't you here before? Don't you have a signed counsel? Because I remember her talking to you, but I couldn't remember at the time until you signed on. I said, that's who she was talking to.
Yes, it's supposed to be the tail end of a murder trial, Your Honor, but I should be able to do it on
Okay.
12. I don't have any discovery though. That's my issue.
Could you send me over an order? And then if you need her information, let the court know and I'll send you over her information so you can talk to her.
Okay. I do.
Okay.
So I will,
Okay. I'll send you an email with her information, and then if that May 12th date is, if the 13th will be better, you let me know and I'll move it. It's soon enough. She put it in her computer, but if you talk to her today, then we can move it to that day, okay?
okay, the 13th is a Saturday, so
It's a Saturday. I was about to say, not on the 13th, because I'm not coming. How about the 15th though?
can we do the 15th just to be sure? Because it's in Judge Ramsey.
Yeah, oh yeah. We'll do the 15th, but I'm gonna give you her information so that you can let her know what date this trial is on today, okay, Attorney Wallace?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and then you give me over the request for discovery and I'll get it to you, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Attorney Wallace, I'm going to send you an email with all her information so you can reach out to her today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, because you've been assigned, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I think she was here. I was doing your house counsel one day.
You were.
And that's how it happened. Yeah.
Yep, and you asked if she could be assigned, so I put you in her assignment, I asked and requested it.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Sounds good. All right. Good
we'll
to
talk
see you, Your
to
Honor.
later.
Bye.
Same here.
Judge, we're ready on Nicholas Washington. It's a review.
I'm asking.
Okay.
I got him off of that. Yeah, he's on.
All right, what did I have out here? Attorney Wyrick, I know that the officer did check in, so if you want an offer, we're gonna have to ask counsel for it.
I would move to dismiss then, Your Honor.
Officer Turner is here though.
Oh, okay. I'll ask for an offer. I just thought you said he didn't check in. Okay.
Yeah, Officer Turner's here. All right, okay. Who am I calling next? Ashley Witherspoon, I wanna call her because she didn't do what she needs to do. Let me do her real quick. All right.
She needs more time to pay.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ashley Witherspoon. This is ticket number SP 1322764. You okay? One count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. This was on a 3-month delayed sentence. She was to pay $200 back on, she took a plea June 10th of 2022. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Malafide, on behalf of Ms. Weatherspoon. Ms. Weatherspoon, please state your name for the record.
Ashley Weatherspoon.
Your Honor, as you have stated, today is the date and time set for review in this matter. I had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Weatherspoon. I'm not certain why she did not inform the court of this, but she has been out of work. Thankfully, she is back now. I am informed that it should only take her 2 weeks to rectify this situation and get the payment done. Is that right, Ms. Weatherspoon?
Yes.
And next time, if there's some issues with payment, you just got to tell the court. You know that, right?
No. Yeah.
Okay, now you know.
All right. So I'll give her 30 days to be able to pay it. You gotta have it paid by April 3rd, 2023. If you don't have it paid that day, you have to come to court. If you have it paid that day, you do not have to return to court, okay?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Witherspoon, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. You have a great day too, okay?
Okay.
Attorney Brown, you may want to go in the courtroom and get your counsel. Go get him out the room. He's not listening to me, to get him back to the main session. So go in room number, if you can, hit the side of your phone at the top and then go into room number 10 with him.
Rule number 10.
Yep, and tell him to come out into the courtroom so we can handle his matter.
Does he have control, Judge?
Even if he doesn't have control, he should be able to join the breakout.
I'll send him. Hold on.
Okay.
Courtroom 10. Oh, looks like he might have gone. Wait, maybe not. Hold on.
Emmett Williams.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Emmett Williams. This is ticket number SP 1162752. This is one count of disorderly conduct. Defendant pled guilty back in December 1st of 2021. He was on a 12-month delayed sentence. We had a review on December 1st, 2022. He needed some additional time to make the $200 payment, which brings us to today's date. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Williams. Please state your name, sir.
Emmett Williams.
Judge, I did speak with Mr. Williams with regard to that payment. He just needs a couple more weeks, Judge. Could he have till March 13th to finish paying his final payment?
You know, Mr. Zaranick, what amazes me is that he didn't even make a single payment, okay? In a year and 3 months, he hasn't made one single payment. Not one. Not $20, not $30, not a one. And he at work right now. So I know he's employed.
I heard Judge said he gets people real nice Christmas presents and all, so I know the court should be a priority, but if he could have 2 more weeks, Judge.
March 3rd, 2023, that's it. You need to have this paid in full by April 3rd. April 3rd, 2023 needs to be paid in full, sir. Or else you can do it. You can do a day in the Wayne County Jail instead.
Oh no, I don't want that.
Okay, because this is an alcohol case, so I can't do that for that. Okay, so pay it. Pay it, Mr.
Williams, move it to the top of the list.
Pay it. I gave you a month. Okay, pay
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
All right, we'll see you. Have a good day, sir. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Jalen Watson.
I'm sorry.
It's you, sir. Okay, can you turn on your camera for me?
Sure.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jalen Wasam Miller. This is ticket SP 1257899. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1205474. Count 1, drove while license suspended, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 217361851. This is 1 count, drove while license improper. Ticket number SP 1199701. This is 1 count, disturbing schools. And ticket number 217361852. This is 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have counsel's appearance for the record first, please?
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. Brian Brown, PA 056, on behalf of Mr. Jalen Wasan Miller, who is present. Mr. Miller, please state your name for the record.
Jalen Watson Miller.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding with this matter today? He did say he was retaining you. Last time he was in court, he said he had counsel, and he said your name, so I'm happy that you showed up. What's going on?
Yes, Your Honor. We're requested discovery, and we're waiting on that discovery. We can get another, maybe set it for a formal hearing, or so then I can possibly correspond with the city attorney before that day to see, after reviewing discovery, if we're going to proceed. And also, I spoke with the city council, and I believe they were going to be emailing me an offer also with that discovery to see whether or not we wanted to avail ourselves of that offer or proceed in another fashion.
Okay. My pretrial dates are April 28th. Does that work for you, counsel? Check and let me know. It's
Yes,
at 8:30. That's a good day?
Yes, that's a good. Yes,
Okay.
that's a good day.
April 28th, that should give you plenty of time, and then you can make a decision next time whether you're gonna take the offer or want a bench or a jury trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, and that, I'll set his bond at $0 personal. Sir, we'll see you back on April the 28th. Your attorney will talk to you about what's going on, okay? Unmute yourself, unmute yourself.
Okay, what time would that be?
8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
April 28th. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir. Have a great day.
You too.
All right. Attorney Wyrick, did you want to talk to Officer Turner? I don't know if you're still on. Attorney Wyrick, you want to talk to Officer Turner? Officer Turner, I'm gonna put you and Attorney Wyrick in the breakout room to talk about your ticket.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Y'all work something out, please. Room number 2.
Okay.
Oh. And Officer Turner, I'll put you in room number 2 too, okay? Thank you. All right, my wonderful counsels. Nicholas Washington, is that a good person to call next?
Ready, Judge.
Okay. Oh, she's doing him now. I gotta skip. I'll do Robert Williams. Oh, you good? Okay, so never mind. I can do Nicholas Washington. He was supposed to be 40 hours at 2 locations. He ain't do nothing. What is up with all these? And he's under the height. Nicholas Washington.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, turn on your camera. Yeah, the height. He didn't do what he was supposed to do.
Huh?
Now calling the matter of the people versus Nicholas Lionel Washington. This is ticket SP 1292888. Count 3, supply false information and or to police officer. This is here for a review today. Mr. Washington was to do 40 hours of community service, and this was to be closed under Holmes Youthful Training Act. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Washington, Your Honor. Mr. Washington, please state your name, sir.
Hello, my name is Nicholas Washington. My birthday is 12/16/2002.
Thank you. That's enough information, Mr. Washington. Thank you. Counsel, how are we proceeding with this today? Did he do the 40 hours of community service I requested of him?
He tells me, Judge, he has about 35 or 36 hours done. He just needs a little more time to finish the last few hours.
You know they don't have any records of anything, Mr. Washington, right? You know we called over there to check.
The lady that I do it with, her name is Hines. She told me to have y'all call her to verify it. But
Mr. Washington, that's not how this works. Didn't I give you a phone number to call and get this stuff verified through them?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, So we do that because we can't stop court proceedings when I have 20 people online to call and verify with some lady that you're doing community service. Mr. Washington, it's so
Yes,
important that you get this case goes out under Home Juvenile Training Act. You don't want something like giving false information to police officers on your record. You just don't, because when they pull it, it makes it seem like you're a liar and you distrustworthy, okay? So I'm gonna give you, are you working?
Yes, ma'am. Right now I'm at work at the moment. Yes,
I
ma'am.
figured you were. I'm gonna give you a little bit of extra time so that you can complete this. I'm gonna give you till May 1st, okay? Because I don't want you to lose your job, but you need to complete these hours. Take down this lady's phone number, this woman's phone number, put it in your phone, call her so you can get the verification correctly. You ready to take it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
313
313
965
965
8130.
8130.
Okay, now Ms. Green says you talked to her before, but I need you to make sure you have the paperwork so you can verify it with whoever you're doing the community service with, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Washington, I'll see you back May 1st so I can close, so I can, put this under HIDA. Okay?
So do I call her right now?
Yes, after you get off the call with me, call Ms. Green. Okay, her name is Ms. Green. Call her right now, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Washington, I'll see you back May 1st with the completed community service, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
Okay.
Hey, Madam Court Reporter,
Suzeranek?
did Officer Moore check in on Defendant Walker? Do you know?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna get her out of the breakout room then. Thank you.
Emmanuel Williams check in already?
Yes,
He's here, Judge.
I saw him. No, he just was in here. I didn't know what, he may have got kicked off or something like that. You see how bad his internet connection is?
Yes, Judge, I'm familiar, yeah.
All right, you have some internet issues, Mr. Williams. That's why you keep getting booed out. Attorney Wyrick and Officer Turner, did you come to some type of resolution? I'm gonna put him on mute. I'm gonna move him. Or no, we're gonna have a mini trial. I need to know what's going on. Officer Turner?
Ma'am, I'm sorry. Good morning. I didn't know you were speaking to me.
Good morning. I'm sorry. I know I should have said. I said Officer Turner, Attorney Wyrick.
Yes,
I said, did we
ma'am.
come to some type of resolution, or are we gonna have a little mini trial? Do I need to?
Well,
What's going on?
I offered him impeding traffic, ma'am. He wanted a straight up dismissal. I thought impeding traffic would be fair for 6 to 10 miles over the speed limit. I am ready to proceed to trial should we need to, but I don't think we need to. If the good attorney wants to go ahead and take that off, he can. He said he wanted to talk to the city attorney for a better deal, perhaps, but I'm here if you need me, but I am in another courtroom.
Okay. Do we have your number? If not, can you put it in chat privately to me? So if you need to get off and go to the other courtroom, I can get you back when we need you.
I sure can, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I am the one who is, I can't see all of them sometimes. I'm gonna send you a message so you know who I am, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
No problem. All right, and then I'll continue. I'm called Robert Williams next, y'all.
All right.
Robert Williams?
Go ahead and mute, sir.
I bring it to you.
Robert Williams?
There he is.
All right, Mr. Williams, unmute yourself for me. You see me asking you to unmute, sir?
There
All
we go.
right. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Jerome Williams. This is ticket number SP 1097311. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number SP 1028676. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Robert Williams.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, at this time, we'd like to take advantage of the recommendations that have been put forth. Specifically, he'll be pleading to 1 count of failure to display, all other counts being dismissed.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of November 6th of 2019. Were you in the area of Bond and Elmira Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were in this area, were you stopped by police officers in your Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
And while you were doing that, did you fail? Oh, you failed to display. I said it right. Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Judge. We'd stipulate to probable cause in the other matters.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter in a plea to the amended charge, failed to display. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Sir, did you know you had 2 tickets in disposition off of one of these older tickets that you had? Expired plates and no proof of insurance. Did you ever pay those tickets?
No, ma'am.
All right, you need to pay those tickets. And you have reinstatement fees on all these tickets. So I'm gonna waive the cost of fines because you owe us $500. Okay?
I owe 500.
$228 for one of the tickets, $288 for the other ticket. That's $516 plus 4 plus 345s, $135. So you owe $654 to the court. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You have a blessed one yourself.
Thank you.
Don't believe the officer.
All right.
I have Jamal Williams file right here.
Okay. Just do people I have. Vondell Wickerson. Vondell Wickerson. Wilkerson, sorry. T. Walker.
And Judge, that should be a dismissal.
How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Jamal Williams, have you talked to an attorney yet? What about T. Walker?
I got one more, Mary.
Who are those people? Does anyone know?
I don't know a Jamal Williams.
Miss
Who was the
Walker's
other-
ready, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Walker is somebody you called out?
Ms. Walker is Tisha Walker.
Okay, cool. I appreciate it. Vondell Wickerson, thank you. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Vondell Wilkerson. This is ticket number SP 1351311. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling SP 1351310. 1 count, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Mr. Wilkerson. Mr. Wilkerson, please state your name for the record.
Bondale Wilkerson.
Your Honor, I apologize, but the alpha that I had only had the insurance count, so I don't know about the registration. We can have Mr. Wilkerson try and find that registration because I have seen the insurance.
I have it right here.
Okay?
If he
Let's
has
see.
it too, it's a companion ticket that came with it. It may have gone into default, but if he has it today.
Okay,
then
let's
I
see
would-
that registration. You gotta move it forward, folks. You gotta move. We did this dance before, guys. You gotta keep one thing steady and then move the other thing forward.
All right, there we go. 5/5/2023. All right, that's good.
Okay. Yeah, Judge, as I stated previously, I have seen the insurance in this matter. We'd be moving to dismiss as to both.
All right, at this time, the court is satisfied as an officer of the court, seeing those items that he is now in compliance, so the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Wilkerson, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle, okay?
I will, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Cecilia Walker? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Cecilia Walker. This is U ticket 633-87522. This is one count of appear semi-new appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Miss Walker. Please state your name, ma'am.
Tisha Walker.
Judge, this matter's up for trial today. My understanding, the officer did not appear. We're moving for dismissal.
All right, at this time, it is now 10:16 a.m. No officer having appeared for this matter. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Ma'am, you're all set, okay?
Thank you, miss, and have a blessed day.
You're welcome. You too. Have y'all talked to, let's see, Miss Wagner? I know the officer is here for that one, and I want to be able to let them go. I don't think Sherelle Wilson has checked in. I'm gonna let that officer go in a minute.
Yeah, Wagner. I don't know if I've got a Wagner.
I do.
Okay.
I just need to talk to the to Miss Walker, Judge.
Okay. She said maybe. Talk to her about that. I want to get that officer out of need. Okay. What about Jermaine Williams? Somebody talk to him?
That one's mine, Judge, and yes, that's ready to go.
Here they are.
Jermaine Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jermaine Drew Williams. This is ticket 154358382. One count, no operator's license on person. Ticket number SP 831305. One count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1381080. Pass on right. That was a companion ticket that I don't know if it made it to the docket, but the companion ticket is SP 1381089. One count, improper plates. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 1381090, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Alpha on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, state your name for the record.
Hello, my name is Jermaine Drew Williams.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations. Specifically, I believe he's going to be pleading to an NOP and a driving left of center, and all other counts are being dismissed.
You want to take advantage of that today, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand up. Mr. Williams, you can't drive on this, so you gotta pull over to the side.
He's not
you,
driving.
Mr. Jermaine Williams, I know.
Oh.
Emmanuel Williams, I don't know what he's doing, but sir, you can't drive on this, okay? I'm gonna put you into a breakout.
I'm sorry. I have to move the car to somewhere to a location I can get some signal. Like
Yeah, we can hear him now, Judge.
Okay, good, Mr. Williams. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room so that the attorney can come in there and talk with you about your case and everything, okay? So when they invite you to go there, please go there, okay?
He ain't got a license.
Probably not. He don't have no license driving.
It ain't my car.
Go to room 4.
Don't answer that. Let's just put him in a room.
Officer,
Yes, ma'am.
what case are you on?
I'm on Terrell.
Okay, she didn't check in yet.
Yeah. I'm
Hey,
in the
Tim,
break
could
room.
you chat
Oh,
me
you
over
want-
Yeah.
Shannon's
Oh,
number?
yeah. I'm sorry about that, man. Hold on.
I'm
Yeah,
going
no
to
problem.
sign it, Mr. Zarek, but
Okay.
that's fine too.
Thank you very much. Just go ahead and log out. Ms. Shannon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much and good luck to you and be safe, okay?
Sure.
Sorry, Mr. Williams, for all that during
No.
your matter, okay?
No problem, man. No
All
problem, Your
right.
Honor.
So I've already sworn you in, correct, sir?
Yes, indeed.
All right. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Malafide about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did speak to him.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or
No.
promise you anything outside of what you heard in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor. I do.
Okay, all right. Don't sound so sad, sir, if you did it.
Oh, I'm not sad.
This is a good thing, okay. All right, take you back to the date of August the 21st, 2022. Were you at that time driving a Cadillac vehicle in the area of Livernois and West Davidson in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
And did you also pass on the right, sir?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
All right,
Satisfied,
satisfied.
Your Honor. And we'd stipulate probable cause in the others.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to 1 count, fail to display a valid operator's license, and 1 count, pass on right. That wasn't reduced, was it? It was just pass on right?
Correct, Judge.
Okay, all right. So the fine for the pass on the right lane is $135, sir, $135. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
Your Honor, I would like a little bit more time on that, please.
All right. The other fine I'm gonna give you is $200. So you're gonna owe a total of $335. I'll give you 60 days to pay it. Is that enough time?
Yes, very much so, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, so no problem. I'll give you until May 1st to make that payment, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome, okay? And the remaining tickets that were called on the record today will be dismissed, so you're all set, okay?
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome, Mr. Williams. Good luck to you, okay?
Okay, I can leave now. Yes.
You
Thank
can
you.
leave now,
I can leave
okay?
now. Okay.
Yeah,
right.
you can. Thank
All
you.
right.
What about Tremaine Williams? We're good? That's the person in the waiting room too. Tremaine Williams?
Yes.
Okay, we have a radio on or something. Turn it off so it doesn't interfere, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tremaine Denise Williams. This is ticket number SP 1339811. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I'm not certain who talked to Miss Williams, Your Honor. I don't have her written down.
Did you talk to anybody yet, Miss Williams?
No.
Oh, my bad. Okay. Off the record. Miss Williams, I'm gonna have to put you into what's called a breakout room. We have you checked in, but you didn't get a chance to talk to anyone yet?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in room number 5 so that one of the attorneys can come in there and talk to you. Now, they're talking to other people too. So just be patient while you're waiting in there, okay? But we'll get to you. Don't worry, okay?
Okay.
All right.
All right.
It's not too many people left in the rooms, y'all. So we have one in room 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9, and 15. That's it. And 15 is the
Yeah, Judge, Emmanuel Williams, I talked to before. He should be pretty close. It's just like, as you say, it was so hard to talk to him. So that should only take me a second.
Okay.
And then let me see
I have
the other ones.
Yeah, I have Wagner, Judge, Wiley, couple Williams. I'm just waiting. I got to talk to this Walker about some offers.
Okay. Winbush is a trial today. Did anybody talk to him? Because I don't know. if the
No,
officer-
Judge, we can do that one right now because it's actually, there's no officer on that one. It's an Antoine Winbush for Officer Rios, and I haven't seen Officer Rios.
Mr. Winbush, I know you didn't sign in on trial day on the phone. Press *6.
Hello?
Mr. Winbush, why are you on the phone for your trial?
Huh?
Why are you on a phone for your trial?
Well, I'm on the phone. I'll try to download the app, but it won't. I don't know how to download it.
Oh, okay. Didn't I tell you? Okay. Now let me tell you about the speech I make every time I give somebody this, especially if they come in like that. I tell them by the time you get here, because my bench trial was set on December 6th. So this is January, February, March. 3 months later, I tell people you need to be able to download the app so I can see you, Mr. Winbush. I know I told you that.
Yes, you have. I was trying to do it. I didn't want to be late. I see we keep asking for my email address.
That's why you can't wait till the last minute to do stuff in the future, Mr. Winbush. When someone gives you a task, do it sooner than later, so you're not waiting in the last minute like, oh, I forgot, I gotta hop on that real quick. That's my lecture for today. Not calling the matter. It's okay. Not calling the matter of the people versus Antoine Winbush. This is ticket number SP 1376415. Count 1, consuming alcohol in public. May I have your appearance for the record, please, attorney?
Tim Malafide, on behalf of Mr. Winbush. Mr. Winbush, state your name for the record.
Antoine Damar Winbush.
Thank you, Mr. Winbush. Your Honor, as you have stated, today is the date and time set for trial in this matter. The officers failed to appear. We've moved to dismiss.
All right, the time is now 10:26 a.m. No officers having come in on this matter. Court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Mr. Winbush, in the future, make sure you download the app the day before you have court, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
It's okay. All right, you're all set though for today, okay, Mr. Winbush?
Yes, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. You go ahead and hang up the phone, okay?
Hey, thank you. Have a nice day.
All right, bye-bye. You too, thanks.
Yeah, Judge, with the exception of Mr. Emmanuel Williams, that's all I had. So I'll go into the breakout rooms and start talking to folks so we can knock those out.
All right, and I'll handle Attorney Zaranic's ones that he has. Go ahead, Attorney
I think
Zaranik.
he's still waiting for, and
Oh,
if she doesn't
he's
get on
still-
in a moment here, Bob, I'm gonna send over her number to you, okay?
All right. Is nobody you got Attorney Zaranik for me? If not, it's okay. I can just wait. We've been doing wonderful.
We have like 3 or 4 that need offers, Judge.
Fantastic. I'm here when you need me.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Attorney Wyrick, did you have a?
There you go, sir.
Was you talking to me?
I was gonna ask, did you talk to Judge? Did you talk to Miss Attorney Walker?
No.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna give you her number so that you can reach out to her, okay?
Judge,
Yes.
I'm just curious, Tremaine Williams, did you pull her out of a breakout room or out the waiting room? Or she was just
No,
on
I
the,
put her in the waiting room because I thought somebody said they talked to her. So I put her in the waiting room. I said, oh, you talked to her? I think I asked her actually, did she talk to an attorney? And she told me, yes, I think. And so I put her into the waiting room because I was like, okay, cool. And then
yeah,
she must have
been checked in. And a way that what I've been doing is putting an asterisk behind the name of the people who have been checked in. So I noticed that she hadn't been checked in, but she could have left and come back, and I not put the, renamed her.
Okay.
But yeah, that's how we can know if they checked in at least.
Okay, cool. Yeah, when I think I asked and she was like, yeah, I spoke to an attorney. I was like, all right then. But she didn't.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Apologies for interrupting. Could someone tell me what Ms. Walker has put down for Emmanuel Williams in terms of the offer?
Yes.
Thank you.
His offer is that he can plead to, it's 2 counts of responsible.
Okay,
So, let me see which ones they are. Wrong way on a one-way street.
Okay.
And then the other one is disregard traffic control device.
That they did that, there's no reduction on those.
It's not, and then 1, 2, 3 tickets will be dismissed in exchange. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Let me.
It's plea and a 3. Hold on. My bad. It's one up here too. And a plea. No operator's license on person.
So they want a wrong way, a disregarding, and an NOP.
That's what it says on here. The license not valid.
All right. Let me see what's what. I'll take a look. All right.
Okay. What do we do with Jamal Williams?
I'm still here waiting, ma'am, Your Honor.
Did you talk to an attorney already?
I believe I spoke with, yes, ma'am. I believe I spoke with Mr. Bob. I'm looking back at my chat and I was waiting to hear back. He said the city attorneys wasn't there at the time. And so.
Oh, so you back in the room. So you got to go, first of all, you got to take your hat off of court this morning, even though that's really cool.
Yeah, I was out in the wind. So yeah, pardon me. Thank you.
All right.
No disrespect, my apologies.
It's okay. And then we'll put you back in the breakout room because they may have an offer now, okay?
He does, Judge. Mr. Zarnick has an offer now.
Okay, all right. So we need to put you back in. Can you go back to room number 3 where you came from so that they can talk to you about the offer?
Thanks so much.
All right.
Judge, may I be put in the breakout room? Oh, I see I have capability. Which room is the officers in?
Room number 1.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, if you need Turner though, you're gonna have to ask him to return to the other one.
I'll head back in there now.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Wiley, did you talk to an attorney already?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until they come back out here. They just have a couple more people to talk to. Oh, thank you.
Sorry, Judge.
No, it's okay. That's cool.
Oh. Has the
I'm
judge
outta
stepped
there.
away? Yeah, hold on, Mr.
Yeah.
Williams.
Hey, Crystal.
Mr. Malafite,
Yes,
I stepped away from my computer. Have you talked with Jamal Williams and Emmanuel Williams?
I've talked to Emmanuel Williams. That one's ready to go. I'm waiting for the judge. I have not spoken to Jamal Williams, but I'm happy to do that.
Okay, I'll put him in a breakout room.
He's
Yeah.
been spoken to, and we're waiting for dismissal. I've been spoken to by the other attorney and waiting for
Very
dismissal
good.
by the judge. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Williams. That's very helpful.
Yes, I appreciate that. I'm going to put you in the waiting room.
All right, who else do we have then? Let's see.
Jonathan,
Jermaine Williams is, I don't know anything about. LaShawn Wells. I'll talk to Ms. Wells.
Okay.
Attorney Wyrick, what do you plan on doing today, just so I can know? Yeah.
Attorney Walker's voicemail is full, so I sent her a text.
She's actually she's talking to let me see. Attorney Walker, I have Attorney Wyrick. You want to speak to him real quick?
Yes, please.
I'm put y'all both in room number 2.
Yes,
Okay?
Judge.
All right.
Thank
There
you.
go. You're very welcome.
Your Honor.
Yes.
I should be ready both on Emmanuel Williams and LaShawn Wells. Judge, I will say Emmanuel Williams is going to be tricky for exactly the reasons we've already had, which is that he has it's a terrible connection. We were able to talk long enough, Judge, that we have established that he wants to plead not guilty and set it for a bench trial date. But, you know, even if for some reason the court isn't satisfied with what they can hear that he said, I think that would be all the more reason to set it, because he's got to come back with a better connection than what he's got.
Okay. you. Emmanuel Williams,
Yes, Your Honor.
take your hat off. Take your hat off. Oh, there we go. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Emmanuel DeCarlos Williams. All right, ticket number SP 1380481. Count 1, disregard traffic control device. Count 2, violation of the basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. Ticket number SP 1380482. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 227488361. No operator's license on person. And ticket number 227488351. Wrong way on a one-way street. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Malafide, on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, state your name for the record.
Not guilty.
Is that your name, Mr. Williams?
I'm sorry.
Your name. Tell us your name.
Emmanuel Williams.
Judge, as he has stated, we'd like to continue our plea of not guilty and ask for a bench trial date.
All right, this time the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. Sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I swear.
You can put your hand down. You had a chance to talk to Attorney Malafide about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for May 12th. May 12th at 9 a.m. Now it's via Zoom, so make sure you're in a place that has good internet, okay? Good internet for your trial. May 12th, okay? Because you can't have all this, it's breaking up and stuff like that. So make sure you're in a good, strong signal for your bench trial on May 9th, okay?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Williams. I'll see you May 12th. I'm sorry, May 12th at 9 a.m. May 12th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right. You had who else? LaShawn Wells?
Yes, Your Honor. And that's going to be a not guilty plea, Judge, looking for a pretrial date.
Okay,
LaShawn Wells?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people. First is LaShawn Wells. This is ticket number SP 1133466. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Malafide, on behalf of Mr. Wells. Mr. Wells, state your name for the record.
LaShawn Wells.
Thank you, sir. Judge, at this time, would waive the formal reading, stand mute.
All right, this time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Judge, we'd just like to continue that plea of not guilty and ask for a pretrial date.
All right. I'm going to set it for a pretrial date, sir, on the date of April 28th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. April 28th. That should give you plenty of time, Mr. Wells.
Yes, okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Are you laying down, Mr. Wells?
No, I'm in bed.
That's laying down. Sit up.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Wells, next time you come back to court, you need to be sitting up like you're in a courtroom. So have some place where you can sit up completely, okay?
Okay, next time I go downstairs, I'm so sorry. I go downstairs to the dining room table. I'm sorry.
Okay. It's all right. Yeah, dining room table is fantastic, Mr. Wells, okay?
Yes. Okay. I'm
right.
sorry about that.
I'll see you back. What date are you coming to see me?
April the 28th.
All right. I'll see you then at 8:30 a.m., okay?
All right. Thank you so much.
From bonds at $0.
All right.
Okay. Bye-bye.
That's everybody I have, Judge.
Huh?
That's everybody I have.
Okay.
Let's see.
It's cool. I think it's only he's talking to the last, what's that, trial too, but they we're talking and working things out. So Attorney Walker.
Yes, Judge, I spoke to Attorney Wyrick that he is going to take the blockading traffic. And I do need to talk to the other House counsel about the trial when he's finished.
Okay, cool. Our
And
attorney,
then-
why call your matter? Oh, yeah. Why? All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Jermaine Ryrick. This is ticket number SP 1422017. This is one count 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. May I have your appearance for the record, please?
Jermaine Wyrick, Your
All
Honor,
right.
P54352.
Thank you, sir. And today is the date and time set for a formal hearing in this matter. Officer Turner is here today and present. Did you want to proceed with the formal hearing?
I know, Your Honor, I'll take advantage of the offer the prosecutor just said to the impeding traffic.
So at this time, the court is, are you going to stipulate to the four corners of the ticket for the purposes of this hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of block impeding traffic in this particular plea. Impeding traffic is 0 points. It won't abstract to your record, Attorney Wyrick, okay? The fine is $175 though. It's 14 days for civil infractions. I know that's enough time for you, but if you need more, I can give it to you.
That's fine. I'll pay it.
Okay, it's gonna be due no later than March 15th, 2023, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You and your staff as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, have a good day. Let me tell Officer Turner. I keep want to call you Judge Walker because your name is Shannon Walker, like the other judge.
Girl, speak it into existence. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, there he is. Okay, Bob, I was just calling you.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
that was me.
All right, Judge, so we're ready on a few pleas, and then the last one would be this Wagner that we're trying to work out.
Okay, yeah, it was, counsel, it's on the Wagner, it is just a straight 1-for-1.
He doesn't want that.
Okay, I am pulling the body cam video and then I will send it to you.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll do the other ones instead. Mrs. Tremaine Williams, you ready?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Tremaine Williams. This is ticket number SP 1339811. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranek on for Miss Williams. Please state your name, ma'am.
Jermaine Williams.
The offer, Judge, is to dismiss the registration matter and plead to improper plates on the no insurance.
All right. Is that how you want to move forward today, ma'am?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney, Mr. Duranick, about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice, ma'am?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
All right. I want to take you back to the date of April 11th, 2022. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Southfield and Schoolcraft in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on your vehicle at that time?
Yes.
Yes, you did not?
Yes, I did not have car insurance.
All right, counsel, you satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well. and will enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. Count 2 is a civil infraction, so I'll dismiss that as a part of the plea. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
You sure that's enough time, ma'am?
You could put 60 to be safe.
Okay, I will. I'm gonna give you until May 1st, 2023, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Williams. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, if the court doesn't mind, I'll log off.
Okay, all right, you have a fantastic rest of your day, okay?
Will do, everybody. You do the same.
Thanks, Tim.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Jamal Williams? All right.
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Good
Present.
morning, sir. Now
Good
calling
morning.
the matter of the people versus Jamal Williams. This is ticket SP 1339322, count 2, violation of restricted license. May I have your appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Williams. Please state your name, sir.
Jamel Williams, present.
Judge, there's a recommendation of dismissal based on valid documentation.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always keep your documents up to date and in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We're all set. You can sign off, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and thank you for your service.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Same to you, sir. Miss Wiley?
Yes.
You set up real quick. Y'all see that? Sorry. Okay, I'm done. All right. Is it Carolyn or Carol? Carolyn?
Carolyn.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Carolyn Wiley. This is ticket number P1363882. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number P1363879. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, operator or front seat passenger failed to wear safety belt. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Miss Wiley. Please state your name, ma'am.
Carolyn Wiley.
Judge, there's an offer to dismiss everything except one matter and have that reduced to a failure to display. She wants to take advantage of that offer.
All right. If that's the case, ma'am, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Wiley, you had a chance to talk to Attorney Zaranick about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
I couldn't. What? Can you repeat that? I'm sorry.
I sure can. By taking this plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you have. You could have had a bench or a jury trial because these are misdemeanors and some of these matters. But if you take this plea today, you're going to give up that right. You understand that, Ms. Wiley?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Understanding everything, you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of August 21st of 2022. Were you driving a Mercury vehicle in the area of Linwood and Davidson in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes.
Okay. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to fail to display. The remaining counts called on the record today will be dismissed. Attorney Zaranick, was it amended to fail to display? It's failed to display on here. Is it amended down to the failed to display too, or is it just as charged?
Well, just charged on one failure to display, Judge.
Okay. All right, cool. So, ma'am, my fine is $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30 is fine.
Okay, I have to do no later than, April 3rd, 2023, okay?
Okay,
All right, if there's nothing further, you are all set. Thank you for your patience this morning, okay?
thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, bye.
Bye-bye. All right, so we're just waiting on that last case to get you some information, Attorney Zarani?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, cool. Just let me know when y'all ready, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Of course.
Judge, I'm still waiting on Miss Walker to send stuff through.
I know.
So, I didn't forget about you.
I know you did. And I was about to say, we saw you sitting here and I figured just didn't have the information yet. So we got some time. I was about to say, you don't have anything immediately that you need to do. Do you, Attorney Zaranick?
No, I'm all set with everything else, Judge. So
All right. If you
I'll
need to
just hang
jump
out.
off. Okay, I was gonna say, if you need to do another hearing, just let me know when you're available again. I'll be here.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
No problem. But no, thank you. I appreciate you. All right.
In Germany.
Hey, Shannon.
Hi, can you send me your email so I can send you the body cam video? I think it might change your client's perspective.
I just chatted it over.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna send it to you right now. Hey, Troy. Can I just forward the box invitation thing you sent me, or does it have to go differently to the defense? Okay, Bob, look for something from Troy Miller. It's my legal assistant. He's sending it over now.
Okay. Hi, Shannon.
I was just calling you.
Okay. I'm watching it, but like you said, it's kind of long.
It's a 30-minute
So-
video, and then there's a partner video that we're trying to get downloaded as well. So I don't know if we want to come back after we get both videos to you. I don't know what his position is.
This is over a cheeseburger.
Even worse, it's over the quarter that fell on the ground.
Right, right.
So I don't know, like I said, if he wants both videos, is he satisfied with one video? I mean,
Let me go talk to him real quick.
okay, sounds good.
I'll be right
We're
back.
downloading the second one, but again, the videos are 30 minutes long.
Yep.
Okay.
All right. Be right back.
Judge, did you ask Mr. Wagner to come back? I stepped away from the computer.
I haven't. I think Attorney Zaranick was going in there to talk to him actually, so they could show him the videos that they just received for this particular matter. So maybe he ended up, he's still in there, so he just signed in under another device. So I guess so that he could see what was going on. But Attorney Zaranick just went in there to talk to him, so.
Oh. Can you hear us, Mr. Wagner? Mr. Wagner, can you hear us? Looks like he's frozen.
Yeah, he does look like he's frozen.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like he might be talking to the attorneys.
Yeah. That's what I'm guessing, so.
leaving. That part's up in the air.
Yeah.
So that's an issue. You know, a judge or jury is going to have to decide that. They may decide for you. They may decide against you. I
Mr.
don't know.
Wagner, Mr. Wagner,
I got the
you're in
judge.
my courtroom because you signed in on another device, so I can hear your conversation with him. I put you on mute. I can't hear what y'all talking about. Okay? Thank you.
Okay. Judge, I think we're ready on Wagner.
Council, can you meet me in breakout room 3 shortly for just a moment?
Yes.
Hello?
We can hear you, Mr. Wagner. We're just waiting on the judge to finish whatever matter she's dealing with.
Just stay on mute, sir. Thanks.
All right, is everybody ready now on this matter?
Yes, Judge.
Okay,
Yes.
let me close down all the rooms. Bring the officer out. Now calling the matter of the people versus ticket number SP 1354074. Count 1, disobey lawful order of a police officer. Count 2, supply false information or ID to police officer. And this is the matter of the people versus Terrell Wagner. Appearances for the record, starting with the city of Detroit, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794, on behalf of the people, appearing with Officer Ethan Stormer, who is on the screen, Judge.
All right, and counsel, can you state your name for the record, please?
Bob Zaranek for Mr. Wagner, Your Honor. Please state your name, Mr. Wagner.
Yeah, Terrell Wagner, defendant, Your Honor.
So today, Judge, is the day and time set for trial. The officer did appear. We've had some discussions between the city attorney and myself, and we've kind of come up with a plan moving forward. I was provided with, there's 2 videos, Judge. One has come through already. The other one should be through shortly. I did provide the one video to Mr. Wagner through email. I will send him the other one when I receive it. I reviewed part of it, but he would like a chance to review them. There is an offer, Judge, to resolve it, but so we are asking for a final pretrial date to be set, so he has a chance to review them and we can review that offer at that time.
Okay. I want to give plenty of time for.
That's a long-winded version, Judge, asking for a final pretrial.
I understand. So the next hearing won't be for a trial date. We want to have a final pretrial. We want to go back to pretrial before we have a bench trial again.
Yes, please.
Okay. All right. How about April 28th? Does that work for you, Mr. Wagner? Is that enough time for you to be able to look over these videos?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we'll come back for a pre-trial on that date. At that point in time, if you want to have a trial, you're gonna have to let me know. I'm gonna try and do it pretty close to that date though, so that way we can take care of this matter.
Judge, may we just have a time?
Huh?
I'm sorry, you didn't state a time. I know you said 4:28.
I'm sorry, 8:30 a.m.
Thank you.
4:28, 8:30 a.m. Hopefully you review the videos by that time. As soon as you get the other video, Attorney Zaranick, please forward it to Mr. Wagner so he has ample time to look over them. I heard they're both a little lengthy, not super long, but long enough where you're gonna have to sit down and look over them. And I want to give you plenty of time to be able to do so, Mr. Wagner. The offer will remain open. Attorney
Yes, Judge.
Walker? Okay, the offer will remain open as well until that point in time. And we'll move forward from then. If you want to have a bench or a jury trial at that point in time, you'll let the court know and we'll move forward accordingly. But we'll give you some time so that you can be able to look at that video, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing for today. Thank you everyone for your patience this morning.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Officer,
Mr.
thank you
Wagner,
very-
you.
Go ahead, counsel.
Sorry. Mr. Wagner, you should have that one email with the one video. As soon as I get the other one, it'll be on its way.
It loads to the same link, Mr. Zaranick, so you should be able to see it shortly. When you click the link, it should show you the second video within the next 10 minutes.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Officer, do you have any furlough in May? Just so I can know for right now.
No, my furlough is gonna be in June.
Okay, so your furlough's in June. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, everybody set. Y'all have a great rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, thank
Thanks,
you.
Judge, you too.
Thank you, counsel.
Thank you.
Talk to you soon.
All right.
All right.
Attorney Zaranick, did you need to be appointed to that case? Or no? Listen, get us off YouTube before you say it.